All right, today we're going to talk about making money with AI, but probably not in the way you're thinking. Forget coding, forget complex tools, forget chasing every new shiny object. There's this skill that's quietly becoming a massive deal in the new economy. And honestly, most people are completely missing it. So let me ask you something. When you think about building an income with AI, does your brain immediately go to, oh, I need to be a coder, or I have to be some kind of tech genius? Yeah, that's what most people think. And that single thought stops so many smart people dead in their tracks. Well, what if I told you that's the biggest myth out there right now? We're going to bust that wide open today, because the truth is, the real winners in the AI game aren't the tech wizards. Nope, they're a totally different kind of person with a totally different kind of skill. So on one hand, you've got the myth, right? You got to learn all these complex tools, you have to be a coding expert, you're constantly chasing the next big trend. It's exhausting. But the truth, the real secret sauce, it's all about clarity of thought. It's about asking better questions and knowing how to guide the AI to get exactly what you want. And this really sums it up perfectly. In the AI economy, the people who win are not the most technical. They're the clearest thinkers. Let that sink in. The people who are winning aren't the ones building the engine. They're the ones who know how to drive it with perfect directions. Your edge isn't coding, it's clarity. Okay, so if clarity is the new code, what does that actually mean? How does it work in the real world? Well, it all boils down to how we talk to technology. The whole interface, the way we control these powerful machines, has fundamentally changed. Think about it. Every big tech wave had its own interface. Back in the day with the first computers, you had these clunky punch cards. Then the web came along and it was all about screens and clicks. Then mobile phones made touch the main event. So what's the interface for AI? It's just language, your words. That's the new code. And this skill has a name. It's called prompt engineering. Now, I know, engineering sounds super technical and scary, but don't let the name throw you off. It's not about building the AI, it's about guiding it. Think of yourself as a movie director, not a camera builder. You're using precise, intentional words to tell the machine exactly what to do. Okay, so when you get really good at this directing skill, something amazing happens. You shift from just putting in a ton of effort to actually getting leverage. You do the heavy lifting, the clear thinking, one time, and then you get to reap the rewards from that single piece of work again and again. And the difference between a beginner and a pro here is night and day. A beginner feels like they're in a wrestling match with the AI. They get these weird, random results. They get frustrated. They have to start over a dozen times. It's total chaos. But a professional? They're not fighting, they're directing. They use refined instructions and get predictable, amazing results every single time. It's not about working harder, it's about instructing smarter. So how does this leverage actually make you money? Well, a really well-designed prompt system does a few incredible things for a business. First, it slashes the number of revisions needed. Second, the quality is super consistent. Third, that saves a ridiculous amount of time. And finally, once your system is dialed in, it's so reliable, you can hand it off to someone else and the quality never dips. Okay, so this skill is clearly valuable, but how do you get paid for it? This is a huge point because this is where almost everyone messes up. They try to sell the completely wrong thing. And here's the biggest mistake I see people making. They try to sell the prompts themselves. They think the secret recipe is the valuable part. They try to sell these prompt packs like there's some kind of magic spell. But let me tell you, businesses do not care about your secret recipe. It's like this. Think about a world-class chef. A beginner would try to sell you their secret recipe. But a professional? They sell you the perfect meal, delivered to your table, hot and delicious every single time. You don't go to a fancy restaurant and ask to buy the recipe, right? No, you pay for the amazing outcome, that perfect steak on your plate. You have to sell the meal, not the recipe. And that is what businesses are actually buying. They're not buying your prompts. They are buying reliability. They're buying faster results. They're buying cleaner, better work with fewer mistakes. They're paying to remove friction from their day-to-day operations. Your prompts are just the engine under the hood that makes it all happen. I promise you, a client is never, ever going to ask, hey, what was that cool prompt you used? What they are going to ask is, wow, that was amazing. Can you do that again for me next week just as fast? See? The product they're buying is reliability. And this is the best part. Because your value is all about that reliability, this skill is the perfect foundation for building a stable, recurring income. This is how you stop chasing one-off projects and start building a real, predictable business with retainers. The path to a retainer is actually pretty straightforward. Step 1, you build a prompt system that solves a specific client problem. Step 2, you use it to deliver a fantastic result really fast. Step 3, every time you use it, you make it a little bit better, a little more efficient. Before you know it, that system has become a mission-critical asset for their business. And that's when they are more than happy to pay you a monthly retainer just to make sure they don't lose access to those results.
All right, so I know what some of you are thinking. This all sounds great, but this AI stuff is changing so fast. Won't this skill be obsolete in 6 months? And you know what? You're right to ask that. The tech is changing, but that's exactly why this core skill is so powerful. Look, the tools we're using today will probably be old news in a year. The models are going to get better, the interfaces might change. Trying to become an expert on one specific tool is a recipe for disaster. It's a game you just can't win. But the one thing that never changes is the core skill behind it all: thinking. The ability to clearly define what you want. The skill of removing all the fuzzy, ambiguous language from your instructions. The talent for guiding a system to a specific, clear outcome. That's not a tech skill. That's a communication and thinking skill. And that will always be valuable, no matter what tool you're using. So I want to be really clear. This is not about hype. This isn't some get-rich-quick, passive income fantasy. This is about developing a real, repeatable, professional skill. It's the discipline of turning better questions into better results, day in and day out. And that's the whole formula right there. It's a beautiful, simple loop. Better questions create better results. Better results create income. That's it. That is the hidden advantage that nobody's talking about. So if this idea of building a real monthly income based on your clarity and your ability to create leverage instead of on complex code, if that sounds like something you're looking for, there's a really simple next step you can take. Head on over to www.homebizsimple.com. We've put together a free masterclass for you that shows you the fastest path to getting to $5,000 a month using these exact kinds of leverage systems, not just by working harder. Check it out. Thanks for watching.